We are looking at how to pronounce those two words. They are to be pronounced exactly the same way. Many people struggle to pronounce the name of this giant sea animal, the top word right here. So let's break down how you pronounce those two words again. They have the same pronunciation. Whale. So the top word is a giant sea animal that lives in the sea, that eats krill. The bottom word is a high-pitched cry of pain when somebody is hurt or has anger. It's a wail. They cry with a high pitch. Wail is how you say it. Whale, the animal. Wail, the cry of pain. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. And thanks for watching.